2024, and if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, specifically a fashion YouTube channel, and you're wondering, what do I even talk about? What do I share aside from fashion hauls, which can get really expensive? Like, trust me, I do a lot of hauls. But if you want to figure out how to kind of plan the strategy for your fashion YouTube channel, I have you covered, because in today's video I'm going to be sharing 10 different content ideas that you can share as a fashion YouTuber, and I hope that you're going to take notes. And happy new year, fashionistas. I am so excited to have you back here with me. I am super grateful for you. It's a new year and we're about to go hard with this fashion thing again. If you're new here, my channel is all about inspiring you to be your most authentic self. I believe that everyone is a fashionista, or at the very least can be a fashionista, and I hope that I can inspire you to bring out the fashionista in you. The first content idea is filming seasonal lookbooks. If you live in the US, there's 4 seasons. You have fall, winter, summer, and spring. And each season comes with different style of clothing. The way the fashion shows are organized are kind of in line with the seasons. So you, as a fashion content creator or a fashion YouTuber, can come up with like different lookbooks that day to day, everyday people can wear. So you can think of like street wears, or just a generic seasonal lookbook that shows some of the trends, versus like maybe you can focus on capsule closet lookbooks, or you can kind of do, if you're more of like the trendy fashion YouTuber, just kind of go with what your style is about. Another tip is to make sure that you film this maybe a little earlier before the season actually starts, because people are going to start searching for these kinds of content on YouTube way ahead of time. Buying new clothes can be very expensive. Like, people don't always want to gather a bunch of dollars to go get new clothes, which is why fashion hacks are big in terms of content creation. People are constantly looking for ways that they can recreate and get creative with what they already have in their closet. So DIY fashion hacks, you find a lot of those on Pinterest and YouTube. And if that's something that you are good at, if you're a very creative person, try to showcase this with your content, and you'll be surprised by how many people find things like this very helpful. Number 3 is to recreate celebrity looks. People love celebrities. That's why they're called celebrities. People want to be like them, they want to look like them, they want to dress like them. So a lot of times people are looking for, I guess, less expensive way to recreate red carpet looks, and maybe even looks that celebrities have been found wearing on the streets. So you can get a bunch of like your favorite celebrities and try to recreate some of their looks with some off the rack clothing and fashion items, and you can kind of just like have fun with it. That way people can see themselves in those celebrities without necessarily spending, the crazy amount of dollars to look like them. You feel me? There is a rise in a desire for sustainability in fashion. People are looking for ways to be more sustainable, to be more environmentally friendly in the way they shop and the way they actually consume fashion items. So, number 4, thrift store hauls. People are leaning more towards buying stuff from thrift stores now and consignment stores. So if that's something that you're interested in, or that's something that you do, you can do like a vlog of shopping thrift stores, your thrift store finds, and there's some pretty interesting things that you can actually find in thrift stores. Even designer items. Like I know a creator that basically flips designer stuff that she finds at thrift stores, and she's making so much money. Outside of creating that content and probably generating income from that content, she also sells these items, and I think that's pretty genius. So Thirster hauls. Hey, if you're finding this video useful or you're enjoying my content as a whole, I would love to see more of you, and it would be great for you to subscribe and thumbs up if you actually are finding this useful. Number 5, you can create fun fashion challenges. It is the TikTok era where there's so many dance challenges going on. You can do something similar for YouTube. Just create some form of challenge that gets people excited, that people want to participate in, and you can kind of pick a trendy style or even go flashback to a previous fashion era and just kind of create a buzz around that and encourage your viewers to try the same thing at home and maybe even tag you on their social media channels. That sounds fun, right? And that's a way to get more, kind of make sure that you're interacting with your community and subscribers. A lot of times people want to know the items they need for a solid closet, like items that don't go out of season, things that are going to be there regardless of the trends, and this is called capsule closet. So this is a great content idea. If you've been following my channel, I've been recording a lot of videos and talking about how I'm transitioning my style, reinventing myself. I'm building a solid capsule closet. So this is a great content idea to kind of show people what you need for, say, different seasons, the items that need to be constant in your closet, no matter the season, no matter the trend. You can kind of just keep those solid and quality. There are just some people that love fashion, not just for being stylish or dressing up, but actually from like an academic standpoint, trying to understand where did trends come from, how did we come about these trends, what's the evolution of fashion, what's the history behind some of the things that we wear or the way we style ourselves these days. And this is a great content idea. If there's something that you are interested in, first of all, you have to know that you need to be interested in whatever content that you are putting out there, just so it's authentic, it's organic, and then you can find your people that are also just as interested. So you can think about a fashion history series, creating a series about jeans. Where did jeans come from? How did we start wearing jeans? What's the history behind it? And a bunch of things like that. That, I think, would catch the attention of people that want to know more about fashion beyond the surface, basically. Number 8 is something that I kind of already touched on a little bit in previous points, but it's identifying sustainable fashion brands that you can highlight on your channel. Like I said, people are trying to become more sustainable now, become more environmentally friendly. Like myself, I'm trying to shop for more quality over, quantity, and it's really hard sometimes to find brands that are, one, affordable and are sustainable. So if this is something that you're interested in, or this is something that you've been thinking about, consider just doing a research on these brands and filming a video about them, so you can highlight them, put them on the spotlight, and in return you get to experience and find out about new brands while also sharing that with your audience. I always say this: a messy closet is the number one worst thing you can do as a fashionista. If you can't see the clothes, you can't wear them. And having a messy closet leads to a lot of different things. You can basically start buying impulsively, overbuying and just wasting money, because sometimes you have some things in your closet that you can actually wear, but you're going out to buy more stuff and then cluttering your closet even more, which brings me to this next content idea, which is closet organization tips. People are constantly searching for these kinds of content to see how to organize their small closet, how to put things in place so they can see them and know where everything fits, and just these kind of hacks that people can use to have a better looking closet. The last but not the least, the 10th thing that you can do as a fashion content creator is to consider having fashion Q&As. People have loads and loads of questions. I personally have loads and loads of questions when I'm watching some of my favorite YouTubers. And you can have like a live session where people can actually ask these questions in real time, or you can collect the questions in advance, maybe on Instagram or like some other social media channel, and compile those questions and answer them live while recording. Basically, so this is a great way to know what your audience wants, what they're interested in, what they would love to see more of, and to kind of help serve them better as they continue to build a community around your channel. And that's everything, guys. 10 content creation ideas for fashion YouTubers. In 2024, we're going in, and we're going to be consistent. We're going to be responsive. We're going to put ourselves into this YouTube thing, and I'm excited. I don't know about you, but happy 2024, and see you guys next time. Good luck.